Hello everyone, good evening. This is Fatih from 3rd BCom TSWRDC Vanpati. Today's my topic is trade, the subject of Commerce Lab. So firstly, what is trade? Trade is nothing but exchange of goods and services. Trade is an basic economic concept involving the buying and services or exchange of goods and services between the parties. So it is an activity done by the persons, or it is a dealing activity from one country to another country, or one place to another place, and one person to another person. This is the introduction about a trade. Next we have to know the classification of trade. So here trade is classified into two types of, one is internal trade and another one is external trade. What is internal trade? Internal trade means we can exchange the goods and services within the country. This is called internal trade. And what is external trade? External trade is also called foreign trade. Foreign trade means we can exchange the goods and services from one country to another country. This is the external trade. And internal trade is also divided into two types. One is wholesale trade and another one is retailer trade. Wholesale trade means we can purchase the goods and services in large quantities. This is the wholesale trade. And in retailer trade means we can purchase the goods and services in small quantities. This is the retailer trade. And the next one, foreign trade. Foreign trade is also divided into three types. One is an export trade, and another next one is import trade, and third one is entry port trade. So first, export trade. Export trade means we can sell the goods from another country. And import trade means we can purchase the goods and services from the another country. And entry port trade means we can purchase from we can purchase goods and services from one country and we can sell to the another country. This process is called entry port trade. These are the classifications of trade. Thank you.